If you want to manage basic authors on Squarespace, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a basic author, fill out the profile details correctly, and save everything so the author appears on your site the way you want. This is especially useful if you run a blog, a team page, or a content-heavy website and want to keep your author profiles clean and professional. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Squarespace tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and open the website you want to edit. Once you're inside the main dashboard, look for your website settings. You can usually get there by clicking the settings gear icon or by scrolling to the bottom of the main website menu until you find permissions and ownership. This is where Squarespace lets you control who has access and how author roles are managed. When the permissions and ownership panel opens, you'll see the option to add a new basic author. Go ahead and click the Add Basic Author button. This will open the Profile Setup window where you can enter all of the author details. Take your time here, because the information you add is what will show up on the front end of your website. The first field you'll want to complete is the author image. Drag and drop a high-resolution headshot or avatar image into the profile area. Try to use a clear, professional photo that fits your brand. If this is for a team or editorial profile, make sure the image is consistent with the rest of your site's style. Next, fill in the display name. This is the exact name string your readers will see on the site, so type it carefully. For example, you might enter something like Jane Doe, or if it's a company account, you could use editorial team. This name will appear publicly, so make sure it matches the identity you want visitors to recognize. After that, move on to the profile section. Here, enter the author's first name, last name, and their personal portfolio website address if applicable. This is useful if the author wants a linked profile or if you want visitors to learn more about their work. Make sure every detail is accurate before moving on to the next step. Now it's time to write the bio. Keep it short, engaging, and relevant. You want people to get a quick sense of who the author is and what they do. You can also highlight text in the bio and insert hyperlinks to social media profiles, portfolio pages, or other relevant links. This is a great way to make the author section more interactive and informative. Once all of the fields are filled out, double-check everything one more time. Look at the image, the display name, the profile information, and the bio to make sure it all looks right. Then click Save. This action adds the new basic author into your Squarespace website database and makes the profile available on your site. And that's it. You've just learned how to manage basic authors on Squarespace, add the author details, and save the profile properly. This is a simple but important part of keeping your website organized and professional, especially if multiple people contribute content. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Squarespace how-to videos. And if you want, I can also show you how to edit, remove, or switch author permissions in Squarespace next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.